The results for the third round. St. Hubert Seminary had 28 points. Osei Tutu had 29 points. Anglican Senior High School had 33 points. And Prempeh College had 46 points. In this round, the fourth and final round, we have 4 riddles to solve. All the best to you. First riddle. I am a human condition of great health concern. I am made of undifferentiated cells. Yes, Osei Tutu.
Tumor.
Incorrect. These cells form malignant tumors. Yes, St. Hubert.
Cancer.
Correct. I am a point on a quadratic curve. I am a stationary point. I am an extreme point. St. Hubert.
Turning point. Turning point.
Incorrect. Anglican.
Maximum point.
Incorrect. Did Prempeh ring? Prempeh.
Minimum point.
Incorrect. So all for you. So I continue. I am either the highest or the lowest point of the curve. The axis of symmetry passes through me. Who am I? Osei Tutu.
Point of inflection.
Incorrect. I'm a property of matter. I am temperature dependent. I am also dependent on pressure. Yes, St. Hubert.
Density.
Incorrect. I quantify the volume occupied by a unit mass of substance. My SI unit is meter cubed per kilogram. Yes, Prempeh College, who am I?
Specific volume.
Correct. Last riddle. I am a transition metal. I was discovered in 1937. I am crucial in medical diagnosis or medical diagnostics. I'm crucial in medical diagnostics. I have no known stable isotope. My name is derived from the Greek word technitos. Osei Tutu.
Technetium.
That's correct. That's the end of the contest. So at the end of the contest, St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School had 31 points. Osei Tutu Senior High School had 32 points. Anglican Senior High School Kumasi had 33 points. And Prempeh College won the contest with 49 points. And so for our final contest, the contesting schools will be Prempeh College, Opokuwari School, and Kumasi High School.